Foghraíocht Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 topic a hindeag. Rannóg Foghraíocht Suil siar. O no O agus no A. Ag díriú an bhfáilríocht. Level A1 topic 11, section 6, pronunciation review. O or O father, E or E father, focusing on pronunciation. Lamuna, idir yalu a yanav, idir O agus O, agus idir yalu a yanav, idir agus A. So differentiating between O and O father, the letter O without the father and the letter O with the father, so O and O, and between E without a father and E with a father, and A. Began Foghraíocht Suil siar O no O with an Handouts. You'll need a handout review of O and O father for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts. Suil siar O no O. Éis leis an mír agus líonaisteach O no O father I gás gach focal sa list híos. Listen to the sound clip and fill in O or O father in the case of each word in the list below. Agus an list the héan, agus list the dó.
Foghraíocht. Stocky. Down. Brogue. Arashta. Mór. Foghraíocht. Dorcha. Gorum. Cóta. Foghraíocht. Stocky. Down. Brogue. Arashta. Mór. Foghraíocht. Dorcha. Gorum. Cóta.
Lay amach dragrí, read out your answers, and sin cearta giad trí éachant an slán, and then correct them by looking at the slide. Agus inis na fragrí. Stocky, don, brogue, arashta, mór, foghraíocht, dorcha, gorum, cóta. An raibh the fragrí cearta agat. Did you have the correct answers? Árán na ngotaí lana, the broad vowel sound. So for those of us with English as our first language, the vowels are often difficult for us because the Irish pronunciation of the vowels is different than the English. So this is a children's song, but it is a handy way to get down those pronunciations. So there's a link in the description box below to both of these videos. And this is the broad vowels. So we have A, O, O, U. Sinead na guti lana, lahan abu. A, O, U. Sinead na guti lana, lahan abu. So if you'd like to take a listen to that, it'll get in on your mind and it will help you to remember the difference between them. Árán na ngotaí cloile, the slender vowel song, again, is another video on YouTube. So, I, E. Tá muide cloil, yip, P. Le chéile is má linbheith ag sprí I, I. Scríobh síos gá ocail eile atá ólas agat le ó antu, agus gá ocail eile atá ólas agat le ó antu. So write down 2 more words that you know of with O Father or O in them, and 2 more words with O or O in them. And sin le amach os ord iad, and then read them out loud, paying attention to the differentiation in the pronunciation. Anam an Áráin, the soul of the song. Le tedil na náráin seo amach os ord, cean ar chean, ag díriú ar uam an ó. So read the titles of the songs aloud, one by one, focusing on the O sound. Óró sé de bheithaháile, beag éanach amárach ag gunta an chláir, an puc ar buile, árán na bó. Ar chola tú na hauráin sin riamh. Have you ever heard of these songs? Tá na hauráin sin agus áráin chuitianta eile ar fáil ar an DVD Anam an Áráin, atá ar fáil ar líne. So these songs and other popular songs are available on the DVD Anam an Áráin, which is available online, or at least was available online. You can now find them on YouTube. Foghraíocht na físne ar dús ar TG4. The videos were first broadcast on TG4, the Irish television station. A choirú ar árán aitheanta Gaeilge le ceol agus buíochas atá ann. So they are adaptations of well-known Irish songs with music and animation. Agus sihiad na nascana, and here are the links. So Cartoon Saloon was the original animator of the videos, and there's a playlist on YouTube, and at the time of this video that I'm creating, this is an active playlist that is available. So check out the YouTube playlist. They're a lot of fun. The animation is really cool on them. Ben Fágin is another one. Foghraíocht no A, pronouncing E without a father or E with a father. E or E father. Éist leis an mír, listen to the sound clip. An aithníonn tú an difríocht idir agus A. Do you recognize the difference between E and E father?
Te, le, ehne, elle, briste, poste. Éadaí, léine, éadrom, cead, léine. Te, le, ehne, elle, briste, poste. Éadaí, léine, éadrom, cead, léine.
Foghraíocht no A. Anish éistearí slumsa agus aber im dhiad. And now listen again to me and repeat after me. Te, le, ehne, elle, briste, poste. And A, Éadaí, léine, éadrom, cead. An féidir leat idir dhealú a dhéanamh idir na focail le agus na focail le é. Can you distinguish between the words with and a in them? Éiste rís agus léine focail fada sa táisiad a rá ag an ngo an bhír. Listen again and read the words as they are said by the voice on the passage.
Te, le, ehne, elle, brichte, poste. Éadaí, léine, éadrom, cead, léine.
In this video, Darragh Míle will guide you through the pronunciation of broad and slender vowels in Irish. He'll show you the difference between both and gives you some excellent examples which will help you improve your pronunciation. It's an excellent video and the link will be in the description box below, specifically between the timestamp 36 seconds to 1 minute 26. Beg an Foghraíocht Suil siar nó út an buíochas seo, you'll need the handout review of E or E fada for this activity. Anis, éist leis an mír a rís, and now listen to the segment again. Tá an sína fada in asnav in áitnas na focail híos. The fada is missing in places in the words below. Scríomh an sína fada isteach na háit na crí. Write the fada in the appropriate places. Ní labhraítear san ord atá siad scríofa. They are not spoken in the order that they are written, so be careful.
Te, le, ehne, elle, brichte, poste. Éadaí, léine, éadrom, cead, léine. Te, le, ehne, elle, brichte, poste. Éadaí, léine, éadrom, cead, léine.
Agus anis na freagraí te, cead, le, léine, ehne, elle, éadaí, brichte, poste, éadrom. Seo liste d'anamnacha Gaeilge. So here's a list of Irish names. Tá nó I ngach anam. There's or A in each name. There's an E or an E fada in each name. Lay the list amach os ord. Read your list out loud. An sin éist lom ag léamh an dara list amach agus beg earthsa an sína fada scríomhs na háit na cuí. And then listen to me read the second list and you will need to put in the fada in the correct place. Agus an éis léamh the list amach os ord. Ag díriú isteach an bhuaimniú ceart. And now read your list out loud, focusing on the correct pronunciation. Oliver, Eamon, Emer, Micheál, Peadar, Sinead. Agus inis an dara lista éistlan agus chuir an sína fada isteach sna háit na cuí. And now listen to me read the second list and put the sína fadas in the correct places. Ava, Éadaí, Eileen, Éanna, Owen, Ida. Ruanella, one more time. Ava, Éadaí, Eileen, Anna, Owen, Ida. Ar chola tú na hanamnacha sin Hannah, have you heard these names before? An féidir leat smuoinmh ar aon anamnacha eile sa Gaeilge le no antu. Can you think of any other names in the Irish language with E or E fada in them? Cadiad na hanamnacha báiste is coitianta Éadaí Hiorchúchais. What are the most common first names in your country? Agus sin deire le Rannóg Suil siar ar O no O agus no A. And that's the end of section 6, review of O and O and O fada, and A, E and E fada. Idir jalu a dhéanamh idir O agus idir jalu a dhéanamh idir agus A, differentiating between O and O fada and E fada. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na quizle, siomh lús cartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.